everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. At Chili Pepper Madness, I am all about making hot sauce. I love hot sauce on just about anything. It adds pop and flavor to so many different foods, and you can make it nice and spicy, as hot as you want to. But one of the questions that I get actually quite often is, hey Mike, how do you make hot sauce from chili powder? Most hot sauces are easiest to make with fresh chilies or even dried chilies. But did you know that you can actually make hot sauce with chili powder? The benefit of that is you'll always have chili powder on hand, so if you run out of hot sauce, not good, man. You can whip together a super easy hot sauce, and I'm gonna show you how to make a real basic version, and after I make it, I'll talk about ways that you can change it up and add other ingredients and even other methods for making it. So, all right, let's make some hot sauce. So here are the ingredients to make a very simple hot sauce from chili powder. We of course have chili powder, and I have 4 tablespoons of pure cayenne, though you can use other chili powders for this or a mix. And I've got 1 tablespoon of garlic powder for extra flavor. I've got a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 cup of vinegar, just white distilled vinegar, and a 1/2 cup of water to thin it out. And that's it for the basics, so let's get making some hot sauce. All right, so let's make some hot sauce here. Real complicated process. Got my food processor all set up right here. Blender is fine too. Going to add my chili powder. And add my garlic. And add the salt. And add the vinegar. And water. All right, next we will process, and here we go. Boom, baby. Hot sauce, all right. So I'm gonna take a look in there. Maybe I'll process a little bit more, get it as blended together as possible, and then we will give it a taste. So hold on a sec here. I'm not a dancer. All right, boom, baby, like I said. Oh, look at that. You can smell it. So, all right, I'm gonna give it a taste, but let me grab a spoon. All right, guys, let me take a look at it here. You can see the sauce is very thick right now, and I'll give it a little taste. It's very good, good flavor. It's a little thick, so I'm gonna add some more, I'm gonna add vinegar. You can add more water. Really to your preference. Just gonna add about a 1/4 cup there maybe. All right, process it more. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can see now it's starting to really thin out, and you can basically get it to the consistency that you prefer. So, all right, let's move on to the next step. So check it out, guys. I poured the processed hot sauce into a measuring cup here, and you can see I got about 1.5 cups or so, a little bit less. And I just wanted to show you the thickness of it. You can see the consistency. It's, you know, it looks just like a regular hot sauce. It's kind of thicker than some, but that's easy to adjust to your own personal tastes. But there it is. There's some hot sauce, easily done. All right, guys, so that's pretty much how you make a really simple hot sauce from chili powder. At this point, you can be done. I mean, you got yourself a perfectly good hot sauce. Also, if you want to, instead, you can take this hot sauce that you just made, pour it into a pan and simmer it for 5 to 10 minutes over low heat to let the flavors kind of meld, and then let it cool a bit, and then bottle it. So I got a bottle here. You can also start introducing other ingredients. So I only added some real basic stuff, and I added some garlic powder, which I love, but you can add things like onion powder, cumin is good, herbs like Mexican oregano, basil, pretty much any other dried ingredient is great. After this, let me get this in the bottle first, show you the overall consistency here. Get it poured in there. Look at that, nice and thick. Oh yeah, look at that. Set this aside here. Nice, hot sauce right here. And again, it's super easy to customize. If you want to thin it out and have like more of a Louisiana style Tabasco-y kind of hot sauce, that consistency. You can add more vinegar, more water. Just keep adding it until you get to the consistency that you want, and it'll be great. And there's definitely other ways to make it, and we'll talk about that in just a second. But yeah, what do you think, huh? Hot sauce. All right, check this out, guys. I wanted to show you what it looks like when you simmer it in a pot. I threw it on for about 10 minutes and added just a little bit more water to thin it out because I want a thinner sauce this time. But yeah, it's still kind of hot, but you can take a look at the consistency of it, and yeah, it's very saucy. You'll get a little bit of that powderiness if you don't add enough liquid, but it's really up to you on how much you want to put in. But there it is, hot sauce. Let's bottle this baby up. So this is a real simple way to make hot sauce, and you can add other ingredients like I said, and if you wanted to, you can even start adding other thickeners. Like if you start with something like a tomato sauce, that's really easy to incorporate powders, and it becomes a really thicker tomatoey kind of base sauce. But again, this is super simple with powders and vinegar and water and a little salt only. So that's it. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. I hope you guys like the hot sauce. Let me know how you think, or let me know what you think of it. See you next time. Bye.